everyone, I hope you're having a really nice day. My name is Parya and I'm a multilingual myself. I know a couple of languages, including Persian, English, Kurdish, Arabic, French, and Russian. I'm a certified teacher for languages and I've been teaching English and Persian language for 5 years now. I have a bachelor degree in English literature and language, and I'm going to continue my master's in English literature major as well. During my 5 years of experience, I've been teaching to different ages in different institutions, different platforms, and with different methods. And it's really safe to say that I can help you throughout your journey to learn Persian language or English language. So please come with me and we're gonna have a lot of fun learning these languages. Have a great day. Ta-ta.